When first starting in affiliate marketing, the one thing that I hear and see continuously being the problem is, how do I find my niche? And basically, that's the most important thing to find out in the first place, is to make sure that your niche is something you enjoy, something that you're passionate about, or something that you know a lot about, because that makes it so much easier. The other second important thing about a niche is to drill down as far down as you can possibly go, to minimize the volumes of people that were going to apply for your ads and basically keep coming to you where you have no ability to get a return on their interest. So find your niche and drill down. If you need help, hit the box. Like, share, help us to share what we have to teach. We have so much to teach you in the niching market, allowing you to be very successful at affiliate marketing.